Hello, Cancer. Welcome to Tarot Bubble channel and welcome to your mid-August reading, tarot reading for Cancer for middle of August 2020. How are you, Cancer? I hope you're having a great August so far. And let's take a look at your middle of August for Cancer. All right. King of Swords reversed, Four of Cups reversed, and Four of Pentacles reversed. Okay, King of Swords reversed. This is somebody who is not in control of their mind or logic. Somebody who's lost control. It can be you, or it can be somebody that you know. Somebody who's a air sign. Who's an air sign? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If not, you're probably having a conflict with somebody who's a Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. Or this can be you feeling, who's lost their balance. King of Swords upright is somebody who's in control. He knows how to tell people the truth in a diplomatic way. He knows how to handle people, especially when it comes to communication. He is, for example, a good lawyer, somebody who delivers the messages correctly and has a mind that is in control, balanced. With it in the reverse, it's the opposite. You are not feeling that way. You are probably losing your balance when it comes to communication, or having these thoughts in your mind, losing control of all these thoughts in your mind. Okay. Four of Cups reversed, though, is quite a positive thing, because Four of Cups upright means that you're too focused on things, on one thing in your mind. You're too focused on that, not knowing that something here is being offered to you. Look at that, but you're not looking. This one here is saying, come on, take a look at this, grab the offer, but you're not doing that because you're too focused, you're contemplating. So now with it in the reverse, so I feel like it's now the opposite. You're now probably recovering from this energy, from this vibe. You're probably recovering from it. You're slowly realizing that there's no use in thinking too much, in contemplating too much, or thinking too much about one thing. There's so much out there that you need to focus on, and not just one thing on your mind, which you don't really have control over. Great card so far. And Four of Pentacles in the reverse is you opening up. A lot of signs are getting these this Four Cups reversed. You're slowly opening up to somebody or people around you, maybe being more emotionally available. Maybe if you're in a relationship, you've been backing up a little, but right now you're slowly opening up. You're making yourself available. You're removing that wall or that guard, and being open, showing how you feel. That's nice. If it's finance related, you are also kind of opening up when it comes to spending. If you've been tightening your budget, um, you're slowly spending quite a little bit, not caring about the expenses. Well, not really not caring, but at least um, loosening up your budget or your spending. All right, Cancer, let's take a look if there's more additional messages for you. Can't help it, this fell down. Two of Cups. Cancer. Seven of Swords. Additional messages for Cancer. Queen of Wands reversed. Alright. Two of Cups. Is love in the air, Cancer? This is love partnership, true love. If business related, it's equal partnership in business, or in the job front, it's probably getting this great relationship with your team, with your boss, or with your work as a whole. Um, there is, however, this kind of manipulative, sneaky situation. I'm not sure if this is relating to love, if somebody is trying to trick you when it comes to love. Somebody who's trying to steal something away from you, somebody who's deceitful, a liar. Just be careful about this. This can be somebody who's a fire sign, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. If not, it's I feel like yeah, it can be this fire sign who's kind of being tricky around you, or in the workplace as well. It can be in the workplace, trying to be um, taking something away from you. Or if that's not the case, there's this tricky situation that you're in about a love relationship, which is kind of not built on strong foundation, and which is making you a little bit unsure, because you can feel it. You can feel like it's not going anywhere. You feel like you're stuck somewhere because of this tricky situation. If it's not relating to this one, we can leave this aside here. And this can be a separate situation here, wherein somebody is trying to be deceitful around you. Well, it's something that is not long lasting, or it's something that can be resolved easily, because you can feel it. You know that there's something um, tricky going on, and you're not pushing through with what you're feeling. You're not pushing through with the actions that you're planning. So you're not pushing through with your plans because you felt this um, uneasiness because of somebody who's not telling you the truth, or something that's not built on strong foundations. Um, yeah, again, it can be resolved quickly, and you're aware of it, or you're gonna be made aware of it, and it will just be on hold for a while if it's about a project or a plan. Yeah, so it's asking you to think deeply, wait for a while before taking action. Yeah, just let it settle down for a while, and you'll be ready to go forward soon after you've resolved the issue, if there's any, if that's the case. Queen of Wands is a queen, the queen of action. She wants to do things quickly. So this one is in the reverse, and she's just staying put for now. No action required for now, which is probably how you should be handling it. All right, Cancer. I really wish you the best, August, remaining of August, and I hope to see you again soon in September. Bye.